How to use same Telegram account on two devices. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use the same Telegram account on two devices. Yes, that's right. You can be connected on multiple devices without any hassle, so let's jump right in. First, let's start with the basics. You can use Telegram on multiple devices simultaneously without needing to log out of one to log into another. You just need to set it up properly, so let's begin. Simply install Telegram on both devices. If you haven't already, simply go to your app store, search for Telegram and install the app. We'll be using one device as your main device and the other one as a secondary one. Open Telegram on your first device and log into your account. Now, on your second device, open Telegram app. This is where the magic happens. You'll want to log in with the same phone number you used on your first device. Just like you did with your first device, log into Telegram with your phone number. Telegram will then send you a verification code to your phone or the app on your first device to confirm it's really you. Once you've confirmed the code on the second device, you're in. You can now use Telegram on both devices at the same time. All your messages, contacts, and chats are automatically synced across both devices, so you never miss a message, no matter which one you're using. Finally, if you want to log out from one of the devices, just go to Settings and scroll down until you find an option that says Log Out. Your account will remain active on the other device, and that's it. Now you know how to use Telegram account on two different devices.